everyone, welcome back to Fabricating Fringe. It's been a while. Today I'm sharing with you this super cute short bob style, and I can't get over the front lace line. It looks so good. So I'm sharing this for the Wig Company. This is one of the Wig Company's statement styles, and this is exclusive to the Wig Company, so you cannot find this style anywhere else. This is one of their special lines. This here wig is called Essence, and it's so cute. So cute. The color mixture is really awesome. The color is F2629, and what that is it is a gold red with a brilliant, is what they call a brilliant blonde, is the description. So you can definitely see that mixture of that gold red and the blonde. Really pretty, kind of like a lighter strawberry red color with that blonde in there, as you can see. Super cute, really springy color, summery, just adorable. And I think it looks great with this style as well. Just fun and flirty and light, short, and an adorable, cute style with a beautiful dynamic color. So again, the color is F26/29. This is an average size cap, and I typically wear an average in pretty much all name brand wigs. This wig fits my head really well. However, the ear tabs are just slightly above my hairline right here, as you can see. But other than that, it fits really well. It's comfortable. Usually the wigs from the Wig Company, exclusive to the Wig Company, they fit my head really well, and it seems like a true average size. Now, if you have a larger head, I don't know that this size would be flexible for larger heads, but if you have a smaller size head, this might work for you, because it's like right at average. In fact, you know, just slightly, a little bit, not as average as some of the other wigs that I wear, if that makes sense. So anyway, let's talk about Essence. Well, first of all, like I said, look at that front lace line. And the thing is, with these wigs that are exclusive to the Wig Company, the value is incredible. I've said this before on other reviews for the Wig Company, but I'm just blown away by the value that you get from these wigs, because the price point is awesome. You'll have to go check it out. I'll have all those links down below so you guys can go and browse all of their wigs. They have, you know, name brand wigs, all sorts of different options, but their exclusive lines, they just have incredible prices. And you know, the thing is even though it's an incredible price, you still get a very well-made, comfortable cap with exceptional lace fronts, and the fibers look really good straight out of the box. You know how you can get some wigs and they look really shiny, kind of wiggy looking, because of the fibers? These fibers, to me, have a very realistic feel, and then they have a very realistic look. Just like the density and the sheen, straight out of the box, I think they look great. Okay, so Essence has heat-friendly fiber, so take note of that. What this wig is it's a hand-tied monofilament lace front collection. It looks like this style has been round brushed into this cute short bob style. I did pull it back to show off that awesome lace front that it has. You have enough length in this bang that you definitely can twist it back, put it in a clip, you know, just do some fun things with it if you wanted to show off that lace front. However, it has this cute bang. If you wanted a front fringe, a side swept bang, you could probably trim if you wanted something more blunt. So the bang itself is really cute, really flattering. You can add volume to it. Another thing that I thought would be really, really fun with this wig is if you wanted to make it look more textured and edgy, you could add some pomades or other synthetic products to this wig and really, you know, texturize it and piece out the hair to give it a lot of dimension and just definition. This type of style looks really cute with headbands. Like I said, different types of clips, really, really cute, or just pulled forward. All sorts of stuff with the hair products. You can have so much fun with these short wigs, and they are really nice for spring and summer because they are shorter, they're off the neck, they're light, they just feel great. I'm going to do a turnaround so you guys can see the full thing. I don't know what it looks like in the back, so hopefully my bio hair isn't hanging out the bottom. I didn't look. Super cute wig. What do you guys think? Oh, I think she's cute. Okay, so let's take Essence off and show you guys the inside of the cap. Okay, so inside of Essence, you have your individually hand-tied lace front, which extends into your left monofilament part. This part and this lace front allows for multi-directional parting. It looks like the hair is growing out of your head. Looks like natural hair growth. The parting area is a pretty decent size, and then you do have this kind of extended lace area, so it's not all short and little just right up front. It does go right to the ear tabs. And then what you have is open wefting. So with this short style and with the open wefting, this is, like I said, fantastic for spring and summer because having it short and then having this type of cap construction, it allows for ventilation. It keeps it nice and cool. So you're gonna be very cool, calm, and collected this summer if you choose to get this cute Essence wig. And you'll have a little bit more change in your pocket because she is such a great deal. Okay, so you do have the velvet lined ear tabs with the adjustable wire, and then you have the velvet nape with the adjusters, so you can make this wig fit your head more true to size. You can loosen it up, you can make it tighter, and just make it fit your noggin. It's super stretchy, comfortable, so you know, like I said, it's not so stretchy that somebody that typically wears a larger wig could get away with it, but it is average. It fits me great, and I think that if you have just slightly below average in size, you could probably get away with this size on this wig. So since this is heat-friendly fiber, even though it looks like this cute style has been round brushed, you do have the option to flip it out, add some wave, add some curl, so it does give you, you know, a lot of possibilities with different styling, depending on what you'd like. Now, just so you guys know, a lot of people wonder, does this have permatease? This does have what they call permatease or permalift. I really like it on this wig because it just gives it all that body and fun oomph right up there in the crown area, behind and around that monofilament part. So you have the area that looks as though the hair is, you know, growing out of your scalp. It looks like natural hair growth, but on the side of that, right around this area where you see this closed lace area, that's where you're going to find some of that permalift. And you know, they do a really great job with it. And then you'll also see it a little bit in the crown. Yeah, I've seen some perma-tees and perma-lift that looks like a rug. No offense. You know, but this wig, I feel like they did a fantastic job with the perma-lift, perma-tees, and it gives it just enough body. Okay, let's put her back on and we will talk about the lengths. I mean, even if you wanted to add some product into this hair and sweep it back like so, you could just have so much fun if you are a short hair girl. Because that lace front needs to be shown off. It is invisible. Looks so good. Let's talk about these lengths. Total weight of Essence is 2.60 ounces. The lengths, the front is 3 3/4 inches. The top is 4.5 inches. Your sides are 5.5 inches. Your back is 5 inches. And your nape is 3 inches. Such an adorable, cute, light, affordable wig. And I love this color. If you love your strawberry blondes, your reds, this might be a fantastic springy, summery color for you. Now, what do you guys think about Essence from the Wig Company? Like I said, this is from their Statements collection, and it has this invisible lace front. It's just incredible, especially for the price point. I'm just so impressed. So let me know what you think. I will have all the links down below to this cute wig. And yeah, give me your opinion. I'd love to hear it. Yay or nay? What do you think, guys? Just let me know. Go follow me on Instagram. I'm there often and daily sharing my thoughts and random ramblings. Go follow the Wig Company and all of their social media platforms. All those links will be down below. And I just want to thank you guys for watching. Let me know if this was helpful, and I will talk to you guys later. See ya. Bye.